What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Air Max 720 818 metallic copper. Now let me ask you guys a question. Which one of you guys want to go to the moon? Any one of you? You? Because these sneakers that we're talking about right here is made to be worn not only on the moon but on Earth. Wow, it'd be very interesting to see what it's like to actually be on the moon itself. You know what I mean? Let's take a look at these kicks. Let's see what it looks like. Let me give you a 360 of these babies real quick, all right? Let me show you the bottom. Let me show you the top. Now guys, if you guys are familiar with the 720 818, you understand that these sneakers right here, they come up with the tallest air unit that you can find, all right? They're very comfortable, they're very springy, they're very bouncy. You can run in them, you can play basketball in them, you can do every sports activity in them. They're just that comfortable. Now, if any one of you guys out there are short in height, all right, you're short, but you find yourself always trying to talk to a girl, but you can't get a number because she's always turning you down and saying that you're short, I got the answer to all your problems. These shoes right here, all right? These right here have the tallest air unit, okay? Which means if you're 5'6", you're gonna be looking like 5'7", 5'8". And if you're like 5'8", you're gonna be looking like 5'9", 5'10". You try to put one of these shoes on and see what happens. You're gonna look taller, all right? These will definitely make you taller. And ladies, they will not only make you look tall, but they'll give you a lot of comfortability, a lot of bounce, all that good stuff, all right? Let's talk about the design on these kicks real quick. As I've told you guys already, the material that these sneakers are made of, all right, you can go to the moon with it, all right? The crisscross threads that you can see, and inside the part of your feet, there's a patent leather right there, all right, to just give it a little design, all right. That's dope right there. And then you got the metallic silver color right there also. Got the AIR letters behind the tab. When you pull your shoe up as you're tying your laces, take a look at the tongue. It says Air Max 720, okay, Air Max 720 818. Got the Air Max on the tongue. A little tab right there as you pull it up, okay. Also got the Nike sign right there. I love the design of these kicks, all right. I love the design of these sneakers. They are, to me, they're dope. You know what I'm saying? But however, I don't want to go to the moon yet. I think I'll stay right here on Earth. But if you ever, any one of you guys ever feel like styling on the moon, you go ahead and cop one of these, man. You know what I'm saying? I'll see, you know, have fun. You tell me all about it when you get back. You know what I'm saying? I don't go to the moon. I ain't going nowhere. But you know what I'm saying? I'm be styling right here. You know what I'm saying? All right. These right here goes for $150 retail. If you get it for anything less, then that's good for you, right? I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button. And if you're not new to this channel, click that like button, click that share button, and watch my video again, okay, if you feel like, all right? And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on the moon. Or better yet, I might see you with these on Earth. Who knows? One easy.